All right, for number 7, I'll show you by hand and by calculator on this one. You can do it either way. It's good to know both just in case they ask you to do it by hand by finding the axis of symmetry. So remember, the axis of symmetry is equal to negative b over 2a, and this is a, b, c. So it is negative 5 over 2 times 1. So it's negative 5 over 2, which is negative 2.5 is my axis of symmetry. And this is also my x value, which is h in your vertex. All right, so I'm going to plug in x to find y. And so that's going to be y equals negative 2.5 squared plus 5 times 2.5 plus 4. See, I'm plugging it in up there to those. All right, so let's go to a calculator real quick. And let's get that. Let's see, negative 2.5 squared plus 5 times 2.5, negative 2.5, my bad. That should be negative on there. Negative 2.5. Oops. Plus 4. And I get negative 2.25 is my answer for the y. Negative 2.25. So y equals negative 2.25. And so that's my x and that's my y. On the this would be h and k. So h is negative 2.5 and k is negative 2.25. So my equation, a is 1, right, on the outside. So it'd be y equals 1 times x minus negative 2.5 squared and then it would be minus 2.25 for the k, right? So that's going to be x plus 2.5 squared minus 2.25, and that is my final answer. Whoops, squared. Now you also could have got this vertex by doing it in the calculator, so I'll show you that. I'm going to do a new graph real quick. Oops, let's do a new one, new document. All right, so let's put this equation in the calculator. X squared plus 5x plus 4. X squared plus 5x plus 4. X squared plus 5x plus 4. And enter. And to find my vertex, I do menu and analyze graph, and I find the minimum because it's the bottom of the graph, that vertex. And then I use this thing and I scroll and go from there and make sure the shaded area has it, and there it is. Negative 2.5, negative 2.25, which is the exact same answer I got right here, right? So you can do it by calculator as well if the problem allows you to. All right. So I want you to go ahead and try that second formula on number 7. So that is writing an equation in vertex form by finding the axis of symmetry or by calculator.